In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your dashboard in Smartsheet. Renaming a dashboard is a quick way to keep your workspace organized and make sure teammates immediately recognize what they're looking at. Start by opening the dashboard you want to change. You should see the dashboard itself on screen, with its title displayed at the top. From here, move to the top left of the dashboard window and open the File menu. In that menu, choose Rename. As soon as you click Rename, the title at the top of the dashboard becomes editable. Place your cursor in that title field, clear the existing text if you want, and type the new name. Keep the name clear and specific. Adding a project code, team name, or date can make it easier to find later. Consistent capitalization and a simple naming convention help a lot, especially if your organization manages many dashboards. Avoid special characters that your team doesn't typically use and skip any sensitive details. When you're happy with the new title, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm. That's it. Smartsheet applies the change immediately. You'll see the updated name at the top of the dashboard right away, and the new name will also appear anywhere else the dashboard is listed, like in your home or recent items. Nothing inside the dashboard has been altered, only the display name changed. So your widgets, reports, and data stay exactly the same. If you don't see the rename option in the File menu, it usually means your permission level doesn't allow renaming. In that case, check with the owner or an admin to adjust access. Also, if others are viewing the dashboard at the same time, they might need a moment before they see the updated title. A quick naming tip: keep titles concise so they don't get truncated in sidebars or on smaller screens. Use the same structure every time, such as team, purpose, date, to make sorting and searching easier. And remember, renaming does not break existing shares or published links. It only updates the label people see. If your team follows review cycles, consider appending a version or quarter to the name so progress is obvious at a glance. Clear titles reduce misclicks, speed up onboarding, and make filtering and search results far more reliable across your workspace. To recap, open the dashboard, go to File, select Rename, edit the title, and press Enter. A few seconds of work can make your Smartsheet environment cleaner and more intuitive for everyone.